Alright, so we've got all the guides in these Oldsmobile heads, the hardened seats. I've cut the intake seats, now cutting the exhaust.
So this is a 455 Olds.
Yep, 455.
And it's got all new hardened exhaust seats in it?
Yes.
Okay, because the older vehicles, it helps out with the unleaded?
Yeah, plus these had some pitting in some of the exhausts.
Yeah, that looks really nice. How much press fit do those have?
These have 7.
Okay, they're not going anywhere.
Yeah, they're pretty tight.
And they're nice hard seats too, aren't they?
They're very hard.
Good deal.